Where can you find the Apple ID password on the iPhone? Let me guide you through it and hopefully help you find it. So if you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So the first place to check out is the official passwords app made by Apple. It used to be just part of the settings, but right now it is already like a separate app which you can browse. And once you get inside, it is possible that you'll see some different apps or services where you save the password. And in my case, I also have the Apple account in here, so I can just click on this and see the actual password. But if that's not the case for you, you can as well open up the settings app of your device and go to your profile section, where upon clicking on sign in and security, you're gonna get the ability to change some settings for the signing process, and this applies to Apple ID and like App Store password and whatnot. And you have the ability to change it, to change the password even without like necessarily typing in the old one, because you know it's like your phone, you are authenticated with Face ID, so the security is there, but you can also change it without the old password. So if you do not remember it, it would perhaps be a good idea to kind of like reset it this way, so you can get like a fresh start, and you will then possibly remember the new password better. So I think this is actually a good way to have a fresh start with your Apple account. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to find it and actually get to your password. Subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.